How's it going, guys? So I got a new project to work on. It's a 1974 XL70. I actually went to look at a different bike, a ST90, but this was in a little better shape, so I brought it home. So as you can see, it's missing a few parts on the engine and all the lighting, but I won't be using the lighting anyways. And all in all, it's in pretty good shape. The seat on it is in really great shape. The gas tank, not so much. There's a dent, rust, and then the inside is pretty rusty as well. So that's kind of a negative. The gas tanks are pretty expensive, but I do already have one if I need it. So I can use that. It's missing the front fender, which I probably wouldn't be using. And it's a little beat up, but to be in this complete condition, you usually don't find them unless they're really expensive. And the ones you do find were usually beat up by the kids when they were new. So considering all that, it's in pretty great shape. It's also got this pretty nice exhaust pipe on it, which I don't think is stock. Maybe it's Bassani or Hooker. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. It's kind of rusted through, but I should be able to save it. The paint is obviously been painted over, but it looks like the original paint is under there, so I may try and take some of this off and bring the original paint back to it. It's missing the rear brake pedal, so I'll have to get that. But the front brakes work, the wheels roll, suspension works, which is all a good sign. So let me know what you'd like to see me do with this. I probably won't do a full restoration since I'm definitely going to want to ride it. But right now I'm planning on maybe doing a different front end, a little bit longer swing arm, so I can run 17s instead of the 16 and 14. But I really don't have any firm plans on it. So let me know what you guys would like to see. It will be a rider. I'm not gonna build a restoration piece or anything like that. Probably do one of the 140 aftermarket engines in it since I'm missing so much of it. And those seem to have good reviews on it. That'll be a direct bolt in. But I won't be cutting up the frame any on it. That'll be all stock. So up first for this thing, I'm gonna start cleaning it up. I'll probably take the engine out, the gas tank and the seat, and I'll go pressure wash it and start cleaning it up. After that, we'll probably start adding some new parts to it, figuring out what it needs. So you'll be seeing all that in future videos, and let me know what you'd like to see me do with this. I'd love to take it out and go flat tracking with it. If it's got 17s on it, that'd be perfect. But if you'd like to see me do something else, let me know. Maybe I'll run a trials on the front and a knobby on the rear, or maybe I'll do all trials so I can go out and do flat track or trail riding on it. Just not really sure yet, but I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I'm glad I finally found one in my price range. So it should be a fun bike. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.